To prevent damage, please take out carton staples prior to removing the product. Remove base and all surround panels to verify they are the correct color and proper drain location. It is critical to verify stud placement is correct. The orientation of the two front studs on each side of the alcove is critical for shower door installation. Before installing your new shower base and surround, make sure the alcove is clean and free of any debris. Subfloor and studs must be plumb. This makes installation easier. For a quieter bathing experience, you can put insulation between the studs before installing the shower base and wall surround. Trial fit shower base in alcove. Make sure shower base is level side to side and front to back. Shim between studs and subfloor as needed. Carefully roll shower base out of alcove. This makes it easier to do the final install. Install drain per manufacturer's instructions. Apply construction adhesive to all feet on the bottom of the shower base. Floor leveling compound is optional and can be used instead if desired. If shims are needed, make sure shims are secured to the subfloor with nails and adhesive. Also, make sure the adhesive on the feet will attach to the shims. Carefully tip shower base into alcove without sliding it. Check again to ensure the shower base is level. Peel protective film away from the nail flange. Kneel or stand in the shower base to apply pressure as you screw the flanges to all the studs. Peel protective film from the sides, top and bottom of all panels. Position back panel on sawhorses or table. Separate seal strip by hand. Do not cut. Remove a small section of protective backing to expose adhesive. Apply seal strip, starting at the top of surround. Cut any excess off the bottom. Repeat for other side. Place back panel on top of shower base against the back studs. Be careful not to slide or drop the panel. Pull the bottom of the wall away from the studs so it leans and doesn't fall over when you let go. Trial fit side panels. The back panel may need to shift left or right for the side panels to fit properly. Use shims as needed. Make sure the side panels are flush with the front of shower base. Shim if necessary. Mark top of all panels on each stud. This will help apply the adhesive in the right areas. Apply pressure to surround. If you feel flex between panel and studs, remove panels and install furring strips. Carefully measure and mark control holes on the appropriate panel. To prevent chipping when drilling, apply masking tape over entire surface to be drilled. Using a hole saw, drill the control holes. Remove all panels and apply construction adhesive to all studs below the marked lines. Place back panel into alcove. Pull the bottom of the wall away from the studs a few inches so it leans and doesn't fall. Install side panels. Shift back wall as needed for side panels to align. Apply pressure to the front of the control panel so it presses against the back panel. Screw 4 screws into the side panel flange. Repeat with opposite panel. Then screw back panel nail flange to the studs. Apply pressure to each stud to ensure glue contacts, stud and panel adheres. Although not required, cross bracing can be used to ensure each panel stays firmly in place as adhesive dries. Your shower base and surround installation is now complete.